disgusting! Oh, no. Here's my olive branches. Let's see how we do this. Lo so.
Ricorda la cosa. No. Complicato. Fa così ragazzi. Prima operazione. Dagli un pezzo.
So this is one olive graft ready, and all he's done is cut here and ready to insert into the tree. Quanto devi fare? Quanto devi fare?
Due per ogni cosa.
Ah, due per ogni cosa. So we're actually going to do 2 for every tree that he's cut now. So he's cut 1, 2, 3, and he's left 1 just to not leave the tree completely without any foliage.
La corteccia, per staccare la corteccia.
Ah, geniale.
Perciò
So
questo.
to remove the bark, guys, he's just taking a piece of wood and he's just inserting it around the actual bark of the tree.
Sì, non devi fare qua.
Wow.
Te
Geniale.
l'ho detto, sono diversi questi.
It's so easy. Oh my god, this is the easiest grafting I've ever seen in my
Questi
life.
vedi.
Amazing.
Fatto qui.
So you just insert into the actual bark of the tree, into the interior part, the new grafts that you've cut, and usually it's 2 per graft. Do you see how easy this is, guys? So easy. Che significa easy, papi? Facile!
Ah,
Facile, easy, very easy, molto facile. Ora la devi legare. So he's gonna tie around. Perché devi legare? Ah no, tu leghi, inizi da qua e poi vai su.
sopra, certo. Ho detto che sì.
Pensavo.
Poi è una comoda, sta pure la casa poi è una comoda. Da fare.
Quanto sei bello, papi.
Sì, sì. Ah.
Sei bellissimo.
Roba da museo.
No. Allora questo è un tipo di colla particolare, no?
Sì.
This is a kind of natural glue. Proteggere...
Sigillante.
sì, it's a sealant. So this is a type of sealant that protects the new plants from weather, from just anything that could, you know, sort of damage the actual it taking itself to this new tree. So it just protects it. Abocol,
Mastici.
Abocol classic. Mastice per innesti e ferite delle piante. Numero 1 in Italia, hai visto? Number 1 in Italy. C'è scritto qua? C'è scritto. And you even put it on the tips of the plants as well. Again, just to protect it from elements and help it survive.
Mette anche di più comunque.
Ah sì.
Anche 4, 3.
Ah, sì. guys. Let's have a closer look at this. This is the second one now that we've done, grafted. You just need to be careful that when you have done this, you have to come and check regularly that no other new growths are coming out. The mother tree will want to keep growing because this is a wild olive tree, no? She'll want to keep growing, so you have to make sure that you have no growths that are coming here. And you just kind of rip them off, cut them off. Si può tagliare, papi, no? O lo tiri così?
Che?
I nuovi germogli? Ah, la tiri. Yeah, you can just pull them. It's fine. It's all good, it's all good. Look at that glue! It's disgusting! Schifoso. Okay, and we're just covering now all the cuts as well that we did in the tree from the original plants that were coming out, and just covering that with glue to protect it. Okay guys, now we're going to close, abbiamo chiudere, we're going to close our new grafting with some paper and some secure tape. Moss! Questo si chiama moss in inglese, papi. Muschio mettiamo moss. Moss. And this is just going to, again, protect it from the elements. You know, if water goes in here or any animal or whatever, it's going to just protect it. And it's so cute, like a little natural protective nest. Coperta. Looks like a carpet. Ah, so in the olden days they used to do it this way. Che figata! It's actually nicer like this, no? What do you think, guys? You like the paper version or the moss version? I like the moss version better. Maybe oggi più questa. No? Ok. Molto carino. Okay. Seeing as we've got so much moss, guys, we may as well use the moss. No. Natural methods are always better. Wild pea plant. Like a little natural sort of water basin. Look. Lovely. My dad said that at one point they used to drink from this. Dici ciao. 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 Che sta facendo? No. Chi ci sta dentro la capanna? This, everyone, is this little lovely girl that we know, Clara Sophie. Chi c'è? Eccola! Questa è una capanna.
Non ti sento niente qua.
Non senti niente, è vero?
Non sento niente.
No.
Non sento niente.
Ecco.